Haven Lighting's X-Series permanent lighting is a versatile and stylish lighting solution that comes in two different styles, Classic and Evolution. A common question that we get is, what is the difference between these two styles of lighting? X-Series Classic features LED bulb-style lighting that are spaced 9 inches apart, which creates a more traditional Christmas light look. X-Series Evolution is a visually stunning solid bar of light that provides a more modern and sleek look. Both styles of lighting allow you to create amazing visuals within the X-Series app. The same exact effect will function perfectly on either style of light. The choice comes down to your personal preference when selecting either X-Series Classic or X-Series Evolution. For example, if you want a traditional Christmas light look, both Classic and Evolution can achieve this effect, but you may prefer the bulb style of Classic. In this example, Classic is on top and Evolution is on the bottom. We're using a cascade effect on Evolution, using red and green colors with a blank space in between to give the effect of traditional Christmas lighting. Both styles can also create amazing visual effects, such as the waves that you see here. But in this case, you may prefer Evolution over Classic. Here's a great clip of a Christmas lighting effect that was created on an X-Series Evolution system on a house in Florida. X-Series Classic and Evolution. Two great styles, endless possibilities. Choose your favorite at havenlighting.com.